welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to make New Mexican Huevos Rancheros. And usually the New Mexican part means your Huevos Rancheros are served with fried potatoes and pinto beans. And if you're not familiar with Huevos Rancheros, stay tuned. Let me show you the ingredients, then we'll get them on the Blackstone and get all this going. All right, so here are our ingredients. I've got some pinto beans, I've got some red chili sauce, we've got tortillas, cheese, eggs, and potatoes. We've got the Blackstone heating up, so let's get these potatoes going first and get them fried up, and then we'll show you how we do it. And I did forget to mention that these potatoes here are actually locally grown at the Navajo Agricultural Products Industries, better known around here as the Nappy. But these are grown about 10 miles from here. Okay, so I've got our sauce and our beans on the Blackstone. We're gonna get these all heated up while the potatoes are frying. Let's get these potatoes going. And we're just gonna fry these up. Okay, I'm gonna just add some SPG to these. Okay, so my potatoes are done. I'm going to move these right up over here. Keep them warm but not cooking. Okay, how can I do this? Maybe like this. This will all go fairly fast. So next thing I want to do is just warm up my tortillas. Soften them up anyway. I do need a little, maybe a little bit more oil in there. Just want to get them coated with oil. Flipped. You kind of see these are bubbling up, so that one there's still soft enough, and make sure you don't want them to get too hard. So one of those up there, get that one right there. Okay, now we're ready for our eggs. Alright, just put a little SPG on your eggs. And you can do these sunny side up if you want. I like mine over. We'll jack that one up. What we're going to do back here first is get some of the red chili sauce on our tortillas. Okay. We're going to add an egg. Put this one on that one. That one over there. This one will be done in a second. We want to add our potatoes. Get this egg on there. Okay. Then we're going to make room for some of our beans. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put some more red chili sauce. Let me move this out here so you can see it. On our eggs, on our potatoes. Just want to load it up. Okay. Now we're going to add our pinto beans on the side here. Okay. And for mine, I love cheese. My wife doesn't really care for cheese too much, so I'm going to put a bunch of cheese on mine. And I'll put a little bit for her. She'll eat a little bit. Okay. I don't know if I can get my cheese to melt or not. We'll give it a try. That. Fried potatoes, pinto beans, 2 fried eggs, red chili sauce on tortillas, New Mexican Huevos Rancheros. Okay, there you go. New Mexican Huevos Rancheros. Beans, potatoes, eggs, tortillas, red chili sauce. I didn't make the homemade red chili sauce. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I can get a really good jar of Nanitas, which is our favorite, as you know if you've watched the channel. Let's see if I can get let me get a fork load of this ready. Okay, so I got a little bit of the tortilla, the egg, the potato. Oh my goodness, that is so, so good. If you've never had Huevos Rancheros before, give these a try. They're super easy to make, super delicious. This is New Mexican style, potatoes and beans. And man, these are so good. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you give it a try because it's amazing. Amazing. Trying to get me another bite here. All right, man. I'm going inside. I'm going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. We'll see you on the next video.